Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to clean your dryer vent. Clothes dryers revolutionized the once laborious task of line drying clothes. Now drying your laundry is as simple as adding the clothes to the drum, setting the timer and heat level, and pressing start. But as your dryer works, it creates lint that needs to be captured and removed from the vent, otherwise it can start a fire. Besides creating a fire hazard, lint buildup can reduce airflow, leading to longer drying times, increased heat buildup, higher energy bills, and more wear and tear on the clothing. Before you begin, make sure to unplug or turn off the circuit breakers to the appliance and shut off the gas supply if it's a gas dryer. To more easily clean and maintain the dryer ducting, you should buy a dryer vent cleaning kit that comes with some extension rods, a 4-inch auger brush, a blockage removal tool, a lint trap brush, and adapters. These kits are designed to clean ducts that are up to 12 feet in length. If you have an unusually long setup, you may need to order extra extension rods. You can start with regular maintenance, such as cleaning the lint filter after every load and checking the vent hood on the outside of the house occasionally to make sure it's not clogged or damaged. Also, if you have the older style flexible vent tubing that goes in between the dryer and the wall, you should upgrade to the smooth rigid kind. The thinner walls of the flexible tubing can be prone to punctures, crushing, and the ridges can catch and trap lint, leading to more buildup and shorter time between cleaning. To thoroughly clean the lint trap with the lint filter out, snake the flexible hose of your vacuum down inside the cavity to suck up as much lint as possible. After vacuuming, you can stick the long handled brush from the kit down inside to grab up as much more lint as you can, then vacuum off the end of the brush and repeat the process until the brush comes out clean. With the lint filter removed, you can run it under the sink to thoroughly clean it out. If water doesn't flow through it well, give it a good scrub to clear out any of the tiny gaps in the mesh. Once it's clean, make sure it's completely dry before reinstalling. To clean out the dryer ducting, start by pulling the dryer away from the wall so you have access to the vent hose so you can remove it and clean it. Once it's off, you can stick your long-handled flexible brush inside the vent hose and pull out as much lint as possible. Go back in with your vacuum to clean up any remaining lint. Don't forget to clean out the vent in the back of the dryer too. Then go outside and find your dryer vent hood and remove it. It may just pop off, or you may have to remove some screws. If you find it's damaged, you want to replace it after cleaning out the ducts. Depending upon your setup, you may want to clean from the inside or the outside. Most people do it from the outside so they don't have a mess to clean up on the inside afterward. Once the vent hood is out of the way, we're going to start with screwing the 4-inch brush head onto one of the rods. Make sure the set screw is tight so it doesn't come off. Then we're going to put the vacuum adapter onto the rod, then plug the vacuum adapter into the duct opening on the wall. We're going to start with 2 extension rods. If you need more, add them as needed. Make sure you tape each connection point so they don't accidentally unscrew and get lost inside the ducting. And when you attach the drill, make sure you only use it clockwise so it doesn't unscrew the rods. Once you're ready, you can put your vacuum wand attachment into the larger hole in the adapter and turn the vacuum on. Then use the drill to spin the rods and brush. And while it's spinning, slowly move it back and forth to break up all the lint. Make sure you clean the entire length of the duct. The brush should be able to go around corners if you're careful, but you don't want to push too hard and possibly damage the ducting. Once you have it cleaned up as much as you can, go inside and reconnect the vent hose to the dryer. Run the dryer on a no heat mode. This will push anything left in the vent out to the vent hood. With the dryer running, go back outside and repeat the cleaning process to make sure you have everything out. Once you're sure it's clean, remove the vacuum and the adapter and reinstall the vent hood. In order to keep your dryer clean and running smoothly, make sure to empty the lint filter after every load, check the vent hood regularly, and depending upon your use, clean the vent at least 1 to 4 times a year. Once you get into the habit, you'll have a dryer that always works its best. It only takes a little bit of time, but can have a massive impact on the efficiency of your dryer. As always, if you have any questions, we're always happy to help at AppliancePartsPros.com.